Welcome to the GTU official channel. Here you will find every GTU related content. Today I have something very special for you. I'm sharing 5 exam tips that help you in upcoming GTU exams. Tip number 1. Study regularly. Even 1 hour a day make a big difference. Studying a little every day is better than late night studies. Tip number 2. Check previous papers. Old papers helps a lot. You will see which question come again and again. It saves time and tell what to focus on. Tip number 3. Keep diagram neat. Your diagram should be clean and easy to read. So clean paper check easily. Tip number 4. Start with what you know best. Begin your paper with answer you know first. It makes a good impression and give you momentum. And tip number 5. Try to attempt all questions. Don't leave anything blank. Even if you are unsure about answer, write something. You might still get a few marks. Follow these tips and your GTU exam will go better than ever. So, like, share and subscribe the GTU channel for more update and student tips. And all the best for your next exams.